To enable and use Circle to Search in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down, and then we can click on the System and Updates. Go to the System Navigation, and then you have 3 keys that you can select, and then there's Circle to Search. Now you can click and hold navigation bar on the home screen right here to call out Circle to Search. To use it, there's multiple different ways. First thing that you can do is select the text. So now normally we wouldn't be able to do it, but now we can select that text on the screen, and then, for example, use Google search to search for that text, or copy or translate it. Alternatively, you can also select the images, so that way you will perform a screenshot of that image, and it will also use Google image search in search of the answer for that screenshot. Then there's the option for the translation. So if you click on this, it will translate entire page from the language that it automatically detects into language that you want to have right here. Next thing that you can do is detect the music. If there's audio playing around, then you'll be able to click on this and it should detect the music title. You can also click on the Google itself to perform Google image search with entire screenshot. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.